Every time I speak up for animals during a particular festival, someone comments, "Where were you during the other one?" When I speak during Christmas, someone asks, "Why don't you talk about it during Eid?" When I speak during Eid, someone asks, "Where were you on Diwali?" When I speak during Diwali, they say, "What about the rest of the year?" And here's what I want to say clearly and calmly. I do talk about animals the rest of the year, because for animals, there is no festive calendar, there is no season for mercy, there's no day off from suffering. Whether it's Diwali, Eid or Christmas, the firecracker still terrifies them, the knife still kills them, and the system still profits off them, and the innocent still bleed. We say religion teaches peace, so why do we forget that peace is not just for humans? We say God created all beings, so why do we destroy His creation and call it celebration? This is not about one religion versus another. Whether you're Jain, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, beyond all these labels, we're human. And I cannot stay silent while we hurt another being and justify it in the name of our gods. This platform is not about targeting any religion. It's about transcending all of them to remember something older, purer and universal. Ahimsa, non-violence, love, not selective, not seasonal, and definitely not convenient. So no, I won't only speak on Diwali. I won't only speak on Christmas. I'll speak every single day for those who cannot. Because the cow in a slaughterhouse does not know what festival it is. The dog hiding from firecrackers doesn't know it's Diwali. The turkey on the table doesn't know it's Christmas. They don't understand religion. They don't understand tradition. They only understand fear. And we, the so-called evolved species, have learned to call that fear culture. So for once, let's stop asking where were you then, and let's start asking where are we now? Because if humanity means anything at all, it must mean mercy every single day of the year.